Hi, good morning. Today I'm going to discuss how to create an activity using LMS. Press this course and you will see these classes, any of the class that I want to give an activity. So I entered grade 5 and I press this activity and here create activity and quiz. I want to give a quiz. So three parts here, assessment, quiz. In class activity, I always prefer to go for quiz, and it is very interesting for students as well. And then here for the third term, I have two topics. So the first topic, chapter 8, I want to give the assessment. And inside there are subtopics in using energy, sound 1, sound 2, light 1, light 2. Here I want to assess them from the sound 2 topic and press next, and you can give the title. Now I want to give assessment. Already I gave some assessment here. I can write here assessment 4. And better if you type the date 12/4/2020, today's date, and description. It's optional. If you want, you can write like attend all the questions. Choose file. Normally I don't give this. If you want, you can give the file like students can read this document and attend the quiz. Okay, now here is a very important date to publish. Normally I click this now because immediately after this assessment, we type the assessment, assign the questions, immediately it will be posted, it will be published. Because sometime if you make here any mistake, then am pm, then we have to be very careful about. So if it is a pm, you will be believing that it is posted or published now, but it will be posted in the night. So sometime it will not be good for us, so always try to go for now, so it is published. And due date, now today is 12. I normally give 4 or 5 days, more number of days, because sometimes the students may not complete the work in the time assigned by the teacher for one day. If you assign, suppose, so what will happen, the particular students will not score, or he won't have any assessment proof for us, for the teachers, and we have to create again for him. I have more amount of time to inform principal. I will inform to principal, and then principal will call their parents and then ask for the reason, and student will attend the question later after some time. So no need to edit or no need to create a question again for him. So we have more number of days, so we can uh, you know follow up the things. And here questions and handout. Questions is better. So if you press this, you can see passing score 50. If you want, you can change to 60. I want 50. So to give more chance for the students to pass. And here you have many differentiated questions format. So first I will explain how to create the MCQ, multiple choice question. Here is a default. When you press MCQ, you can see this question number 1. Score is 1. Is a default. I always give more marks to encourage students. And here the level of question, difficulty level, I always give medium, low, anything, just. And here I want to give a question sound, the dash whale. And here are the options. You can write the answer here. So transverse, another is longitudinal, and then select the right option. Now the right option is longitudinal. I have selected it, and immediately I have to save this option. And second, we have true or false. Let's see how it works. 10 marks, and difficulty level medium, or this time it's very difficult. So the false, true or false question: sound can travel through vacuum. Yeah, it is false. So select the right option. Sound can travel through vacuum, but it is cannot. So it is a false statement, and select the option, and immediately you have to save. Now two questions are done, and then let's see the multiple response, how it works. So here 10 points, and here you give medium level this time, and then multiple choice, multiple responses. Select the two correct statements. Sound wave has peaks and dips. Yeah, it is correct. Second one, sound can travel through gas. Yeah, it is correct. Then add other options. Speed of sound is higher through cold air than hot. It is the wrong option. So students are supposed not to select this. So I didn't select this. I have selected these two right options. Then if I want to give another, you can add another option. If you don't want, no need to select. Okay. And speed of sound is higher through the cold air. Then amplitude of the wave is known as the number of waves. It is a wrong answer. No, wrong option. So okay. So two right options are here. We have already selected. So it will be marked automatically. Now how many questions? Three questions are done. Now matching 10 points, and here medium or low, whatever difficult level you can select, and here match the following. Okay, so here I can write here sound, here I can write light, here I can write dips. So sound, what is this, what is the wave? It is the longitudinal wave, and light is a transverse wave, and the dips particles are closer. It is a dip, right? So the particles are spread out. Okay, so the right options are written here, so it will be shuffled automatically. So here save it, then matching, then fill in the blanks, like 10 marks, medium, fill in the blanks. So sound sound causes by dash blank. You have to press this blank. So in the blank the students will write vibration. So if it is wrong, then it will give automatically the zero score, zero mark. Okay, now save. Now how many questions are here? Five questions. Now here ordering, so you give the different orders. They will four or five or two or three, any different orders you give. So the term 1, term 2, you can add another. So after you press here save, you can save it. Now I don't want to give now. Okay, and image, if you press image, you give here the same amount, 10 marks, and here is medium. And what is image means, you upload the image here. So the students can write or draw anything they like in the image, and we have to mark this question. So we will be notified, and the notification will get the message that this activity has to be marked by the teacher. So we have to mark this. So I don't want to give this. Okay, so I have 5 questions and 50 marks. Finally I have to save it. After saving, you will get this message. Please note that this quiz will be published now. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now you can see this activity somewhere here at the bottom. Here you see assessment for 12 for 2020. And very important thing here, you have to check this color. If it is green, which means the students can access. If it is gray, which means students cannot access. So how can you make it green if it is a gray? Now, which topic that we have to do? We are doing sound 2. So if we go to the plan, you can see the chapter 8, using energy. You click this, you can see the subtopics. Now you see here the 3 topics are activated. This is not activated. The light topic is not activated, which means the students will not get any access from this topic. Whatever you upload, the students will not receive any information. So I have to activate this. So now this sound 2 is activated, so no problem. The students, the assessment is already posted for them, they can access. Now just I'm giving an example. If it is gray, you press this and you can see here activate. So you just click this activate. If it's activated, then you can see the color here, it is green. But now I am not activating this. The reason, you can see here, you see here week 4. It is for week 4. Now we are in week 2. So week 4. So week 4, during week 4, I will activate this. Like on Friday, Saturday, we post some materials here, add some materials, and you can activate. Students will get the access. This is how it is. So okay, now you can follow the here you will get the notification somewhere here. Yeah, here you will get the notification. In your home you will get the notification. So once you get the notification, then you will go to the activities. Then you can see now now I show you. I'll show this uh, the assessment 2. There are 19 students, only 5 students are submitted the activity. How do I know? You just click here, you can see view scores. So if we go, you can see Ayman, Basim, Muhammad. These are all the students have attended the activity, right? So still other students will attend this assessment, and it will be here, so we can easily can see how many students have attended the activities. And thank you for watching my video.